Hello everyone, welcome back again. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to insert records into the table. So in the last video, we had talked about how to create a table. So we will now insert some records into that table using three different methods. Okay. So to insert into the table, we have to write the syntax insert into, then we will have to give the name of the table. What is the name of table? Employee, then values, and this then pass the values in the order in which you have created the table. So first we have to pass the value for id, as it is an integer, we will pass 1. Then we have to pass the first name. So the first name is of type varchar, it is a string, so we will pass it into a single quote. Okay, so let's say the name is Pawan, first name, last name we will take as Singh, and then the salary. So what is the data type of salary? So salary is a float type, so we will give 10,000 to the salary. And in date of birth, always try to give in the format of YYYY, that means YYYY. So this is year, so we are giving 1998. Then let's say in the fourth month, and then you have to give the date, so let's say date 25. Okay, so these are the values which will be inserted into the record. So we will first select this query and fire this query. So you can see that one row is affected. So to see the result, so we will now fire this query, and you can see that ID 1, Pawan Singh, salary 10,000, and date of birth is inserted into the table. So this is the first method to insert values in the table. So the second method will be, I will just copy paste this and do some changes. Insert into employees and values, insert into employee, and then we will pass the column names in which we have to insert the value. So we can pass column names in any order. So let's say I want to first store the first name, then last name, then ID, then the that I want to store salary, and in last I want to store date of birth. So these were the name of the column. I have given the similar name. So here first we have to give the first name. So let's say in the first name I change it to Deepak, and then Kumar, and then after first name and last name we will have to give the ID of that employee. Okay, so let's say now ID will be 2, and salary let's say 9,000, and date of birth we will change at 6 months, and this is at 23. Okay, so we can give any values. So now if we fire this query, so let's, there is some error. No, there is no error. We have to give here a semicolon. Okay, now error has gone. Now if we fire this query, okay, one row now also affected. And if we fire this query, you can see that second record is also inserted in our table. So these are the methods to insert values in the table of only one record. So can we insert more than one value in the record? Yes, by giving a comma, and again you will give a parenthesis, and inside that you have to pass the value. So let's say in the third we will give Nitesh and Kumar. ID will be 3. We have to give the unique ID because ID is a primary key. Salary, let's say 8500, 8500. Okay, and then date of birth 1998 0207. Okay, so this will insert the two values in the record. So if we fire this query, what do you think, this will run or not? So let's try this. So if we try this, okay, duplicate entry 2 for the primary key is coming. So do you know why this is coming? Because 2, that means the id is a primary key and it cannot hold any duplicate value. So we have to change the id for the Deepak. So let's say his id will be 4, and if we fire this query again, now you can see that 2 rows affected. And if we check here, then you can see that 4 items are available in the table. So hope you have now understood 3 different ways to how you can insert values in the table. So hope you have liked this video. So thank you. Bye bye.